Hello guys, welcome back once again. All right, I have this very interesting and simple exam focused physics question that we are going to solve in less than 2 minutes, and it is exam focused. Okay, so stay with me as I put clarity and guide you on how to solve it. All right. A working electrical motor takes a current of 1.5 takes. That simply means this is my input current. So my IP is equal to 1.5 amp. Okay. When a potential difference across, this is my VP. VP, that's the input voltage, 250 volts. Okay. If its efficiency, that's my efficiency now, is equal to 80%. This is my efficiency, right? The power output is, they asked me to calculate the power output. So let me use PO as my power output. Okay, my power output. That is what they asked me to calculate. Now recall, efficiency is what? Power output over power input times 100%, right? So what I'm going to have is, I have 80% equal to my power output, which I have PO over, recall that power is expressed as what? Electric power, P, is equal to IV. Okay, now this is power input, so I'm going to have what? IP times VP, right? Good. So let me replace, my efficiency is 80 divided by 100 equal to PO, which is the power output, divided by my IP, 1.5 times 250. Okay, so now next is, I'm going to cross multiply and make power output the subject formula. Okay, so 1.5 times 250, what I'm going to have is 80 over 100 equal to power output over 375. Okay, so I will cross multiply, which I'm going to have 80 times 375 equal to 100. Okay, times power output. So I'll divide by 100, to make my power output the subject. So my power output is equal to 80 times 375 divided by 100. So I'm going to have 30,000 divided by 100. Okay, so this will cancel this. So what I'm going to have is, power output is equal to 300. The unit of power is what? 300 watts. Okay, that's the unit of power. You see, very simple and easy. Okay, don't forget to like the video, share the video, invite family and friends. Okay, for more clarity, please stay on the channel. Bye.